very good morning to all the students of class 6th. Welcome to another class of English grammar. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 8 in English grammar, that is conjunctions. So let's begin. Now we'll start with the basic definition of conjunctions. A conjunction is a word which is used to join words, phrases. What are phrases? Short sentences or sentences together. And in simple words you can say conjunctions are like glue that connect or holds words, phrases or sentences. These are the examples of conjunctions. Now you can understand through these examples. First one, Rahul and Sahil are best friends. So these are the two words that are joined with the conjunction and. Second, do you like tea or coffee? Here also we are joining two words with the conjunction or. Third one, he is rich but dishonest. Here we are joining with but. Now these are some of the commonest conjunctions which are commonly used, that is and, but, or. Through examples I will explain you. The use of and. We use and to join words, phrases and sentences that show similar ideas and should not have an opposite meaning. Here you can see I like apples, pear and mangoes. These all are names of the foods that are similar. So if we will write I like apples, I like pear, I like mangoes, instead of that we have used and joined the sentences. I like apples, pear and mangoes. In the same way, I have a cat and a dog. These have similar ideas and are not opposite in meaning. Both are names of animals, cat and a dog. Now next, but. But is used with contrast or difference, or it is used for different or opposite ideas. Here you can see in this example the rope is thin but strong. So rope is thin means weak but it is strong. So both are opposite in meaning. Next, I felt angry but kept quiet. Usually when a person is angry, he does not keep quiet. So these words are angry and quiet are opposite in meaning. Now I will explain you the use of or. Or is used for choice or alternative. So alternative means you can do this or that. In the first example you can see, would you like rice or noodles? So you are giving choice, rice or noodles. In the second example, do you like playing chess or ludo? If you'll ask in two different sentences, do you like playing chess? Do you like playing ludo? No. So we are joining with the or in one sentence. Do you like playing chess or ludo? Or is also used for opposites, to join opposites, that is hot and cold. Here these words are not opposites. Rice or noodles, we are giving choice, but here these are opposites, hot and cold. So do you want your coffee hot or cold? So these are opposites idea. Now we'll study some more conjunctions like if, so, while, unless, when, since, because, although. Let us study the uses of these conjunctions. Conjunctions used for reason, that is because, as, since. Because is used to provide reason for an action, means when reason is important. Examples, I was absent yesterday because I was not well. So here in this example, the reason is important. Now the use of since or as. We use as or since to give or introduce reason. We often use them when we want to focus more on the result than the reason. Examples: as it is raining, I cannot go to school. So here, result is more important than reason. Second example: since it's raining, I will stay at home and watch a movie. So where to use because, as, since. As is used when the reason is already known. In this example, you can see, as we read, we learn. So we know when we will read, then only we will learn. Since, when the reason is already known. Since is more formal than as. Since I don't have money, I can't buy it. Now the use of because, when the reason is very important in the sentence. For example, I ran because I was afraid. So here it shows the reason. Conjunctions of result. So, we use so to show result or consequence of something. Examples: Tim was very hungry, so he ate all the cookies. Second, I wanted to study in Delhi University, so I went to Delhi. So in the first example, consequence of hunger, so he ate all the cookies. Next is conjunctions for contrast, that is but, although, though. The conjunctions although and though are interchangeable, means you can use any of these. We use although or though to show contrast in ideas. Although is generally considered more formal than though. Examples: she could not clear the test though tried her best. Second, although she tried her best, she could not clear the test. Now where to use but and although? We use but to show an unexpected result or a result in contrast to our expectation. Means whatever we think will not happen there. Although is used to show a situation that has a surprising result. We use although at the beginning of a sentence. So here it is very important that although is used at the beginning of a sentence. Conjunctions for condition, that is use of if, unless. If is used to suggest condition. Example: if you work hard, you will pass. So here condition of passing is to work hard. Second, if it will rain, I will not go out to play. Now unless means except if. We use unless to introduce first the only condition in which an event we are mentioning will not take place, or in which a statement we are making is not true. So my dear children, remember all these points. Examples: you won't get the award unless you work hard for it. I will not come unless you call me. Conjunctions to represent time, that is when and while. When is used to talk about a specific age or period of life. Example: when I was a child, we lived in London. When is also used when two single actions that are happening at the same time, or one happens right after another one. For example, I picked up the phone when it rang. First, the phone rang and then immediately I picked up the phone. Use of while. While means during that time. It is used to talk about two actions which are happening at the same time. Example: she was listening songs while jogging. So here two actions at same time, listening songs and jogging. Second example: the phone rang while I was cooking food. Phone rang while I was cooking food. Here also we use while to show that a shorter action, that is the phone rang, happened during a longer action, that is I was cooking dinner. And often this shorter action interrupts the longer action. Now, where to use while or when? We don't use while to talk about long periods of our lives. Instead, we use when and past tense. Example: while I was a child, I played cricket. So here use of while is wrong. We have to use when I was a child, I played cricket. So this is the correct sentence. Now let us recapitulate the uses of conjunctions. We use conjunctions for similar ideas, that is, and is used, for choice or, result so, and for reason because, as, since, for time when, while, for condition if, unless, and for contrast but, although, though. So these are the uses of conjunctions. Now you can see, my dear children, these are the solutions of the exercises of conjunctions. So complete it very neatly, and after completing, please learn it. This was all for today, my dear children. Now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you all. God bless you all.